I don't know about you, but I hate this. Do you know what this is? Look at this. It's a jumble of unmatched socks that we have to spend hours, well, not hours, that's an exaggeration, but just a ton of time putting together all of these socks. For what? Well, I have a solution. Follow me. Made by the company known as Notes to Self Socks, and my loving aunt, Laura, she has made this great basket contraption that allows you to clean your socks and not have to go through the tedious task of matching them. All you have to do is take your pre-matched dirty socks. These are mine, so they obviously smell awful. Put them together. Put them all together in this washer safe bag. You zip it up right here, zipper included. Look at that. Plop it in the washer. Start it. It all washes. Take it out. You get your fresh socks. Put it in the dryer. When it's in the dryer, you get your fresh, clean socks.